Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find marketplace in on your Facebook. If you want to find marketplace on your Facebook, first of all go on click on your app and open your Facebook account. Now log in your on Facebook account and open it. Now you have to click on three lines in the right corner upper side. Now click on it. Now scroll down. Now here you will see option marketplace. After group you will see option marketplace. Now click on option marketplace. Now click on it. Now here you will see lots of option marketplace, sell, local, vehicle, properties for rent, and more, many more things you will get. So if you want to local market, local market, you will see here everything what you want. So like this you can search local marketplace in your mobile. So whatever you want to search in marketplaces, vehicles, sell. If you want to sell something, you can just sell item, vehicle, job, whatever you. If you want to sell item, which item you want to sell, like this you can search marketplace in your on your Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.